What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome to another video. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Really appreciate you having you here. The channel's been growing a ton recently, so I really appreciate everyone who is returning to watch the videos, dropping those comments and liking the videos. It really helps out a lot and it means a ton to me. Today, I'm gonna be bringing you a full back workout. So if you wanna take your back game to the next level, I'm gonna include some different techniques that you can do. There'll be a couple progressions, stuff like that. But same drill as always, we're gonna go a full workout. You're gonna get all the reps, sets, and exercises. And make sure you check out the other workouts if you haven't already. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so for the first exercise, what we're gonna be doing are some cable face pulls with the rope attachment. We're gonna hit it from an upward angle and then a downward angle as well, just so it gets the muscles back there a little bit better from all different angles, right? What I find works really good for this is if you start by grabbing the rope like this, right? With your thumbs up here, then turn them upside down so you can just pull the weight into your ears using mostly your rear delts after. Right, so that can be really good for helping to fix up your posture if you're a little hunched over or whatever, to help put you back. I'll show you what my posture transformation looks like. So yeah, if you want to do something like that, incorporate some exercise like these into your back workout. To get the shoulders pumped. Okay, now a lot of people have different opinions on deadlifts, right? A lot of people get injured from not doing them right as well. So I'll try to help you guys not get injured if you're gonna attempt these, right? Personally, me, I do have a broken spine and I'm still doing this. So if it's done right, it can be very safe. Usually what I like to do is have my feet wider than shoulder width apart, and you're gonna grip the bar outside your knees as well, right? This is called a conventional deadlift. So I'll just show you guys how I do it. Okay, so 15 reps, 135 pounds. I haven't done heavy deadlifts in a while, but by the summer, I want to be back up to 3 plates for 5 reps. Okay guys, so simple lat pull down for the next exercise. What I find to be the easiest adjustment technique for this is Make sure that your hands are about 1.5 times shoulder width apart, not too wide, right? Aside from that, don't swing and stuff. Okay, so did 2 sets of overhand wide grip, and I'm gonna do 2 sets of underhand close grip. So I find that this is really good for your posture as well. It also works your scapula and your rhomboids a little bit better. Okay guys, so for the last thing to finish off the back workout, what we're going to be doing is a seated table row with individual handles so we can get nice and wide, right? Because your lats actually do 3 things, okay? They're going to retract your shoulder blade, right? And they're going to, what's that? I'm not thinking of it properly right now. But basically you want to pull back. You also want to pull away from your body as wide as you can. And then my buddy Pat taught this to me. It's like you're trying to tuck your elbow into the opposite back pocket, right? So you're gonna get really good movements for this. And then we're gonna add a little bit of bicep work afterward, just because I wanted to put a little more bicep volume in my programs. Okay, now I remember. What it does is it straightens out your spine, pulls your shoulder back, and extends or widens your shoulder, something like that. I'm pretty sure that's right. If you know better than I do, drop a comment and let me know. Okay guys, so that wraps up the back and buys workout. Let me know in the comments there what your favorite exercise was. Also, let me know if you do enjoy videos like this. If there's any other muscles or exercises you want to see targeted in a video or even broken down completely on the best way to do it, just let me know. I'll make a full video for you, right? But the channel's been growing really quickly, so I really appreciate everyone joining in along the way. It really means a lot to me. All the likes, the comments, you know, fires me up, keeps me going. I want to keep going with this and making even more content, which I've already made some more content too. So check out the channel there if you haven't already, and check out the other workouts and meal prep videos there, right? There's going to be a subscribe button popping up as well as a couple more videos. Watch those, smash that like button, and see you next time.